almost another accident. Let's get off, man. Get off. Almost another accident there. It's too tight spaces. Too tight. Yeah. My leg's hanging off. I'm gonna get. I'm lucky I didn't get a leg. I got no shorts. I don't have jeans, so one scrape, it's bad. Me a bad cut. I'm gonna get off, man. It's too much. There's no rush. We got plenty of time. I'll meet you. Let's reorientate and see where where we're at here. How far are we from the place? And I'll meet you there. Okay, by driving, right? How many miles is it? Kilometers.
550 minutes.
Yeah, I can walk there in 5 minutes. So let me know the place. I'll put it on my Google Maps.
You meet me this place. You in the Google, you type city police. You touch my phone.
There's like 3 city polices around here.
No, city police.
All right, just out. We'll go. We're almost there. Only 550 meters away. Just be careful.
You guide me.
Okay. Yeah, be careful.
But don't zoom in, zoom out.
You're driving like a maniac.
But don't zoom in, zoom out. Okay?
Okay.
This will guide us.
Okay.
If you zoom in, zoom out, then there's a word like city center.
Okay, we're almost there. Let's go.
No, I drive slow.
You were driving good today, but like once you got into these streets, you started like driving aggressively. I understand people do that because it's like you're fighting for space, but it was dangerous.
Okay, I drive slow now.
Okay.
I drive slow.
Okay.
Because we are habitual of that thing.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. Well, we're almost there. Let's get there. I'll get rid of this bike. I like exploring, walking through these cities. This is half the reason I like to come to these cities is to see the streets, you know, see the urban environment.
Yeah, this is my first time here in it's a very busy street and like a local market here. So I try to go now. I understand. So this is great.
I think make a right coming up.
Right?
It's 50 meters, make a right.
Oh, this is a very good shop. You want to eat something?
You want some sweets? All right. Stop for some sweets here.